Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your macOS using Time Machine, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your macOS using Time Machine, first, connect an external hard drive to your Mac. Make sure the external drive is formatted correctly as macOS Extended, Journaled, or APFS. Open System Preferences from the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Locate and select Time Machine in the System Preferences window. Click Select Disk to choose your external drive as the backup destination. Once selected, you can also check the option to encrypt your backup for added security. Afterward, toggle the Time Machine switch to On to enable automatic backups. Time Machine will now start an initial backup, which may take some time depending on how much data you have. You can monitor the backup progress in the Time Machine menu bar icon. To access Time Machine settings, you can right-click the Time Machine icon in the menu bar. If you want to exclude certain files or folders from the backup, click on Options. Here, you can add items to the exclusion list by clicking the plus button and selecting the files or folders. To manually start a backup, you can click Backup Now from the Time Machine menu. Remember that Time Machine backs up your system hourly, daily, and weekly. In case you need to restore files, enter Time Machine by clicking the menu bar icon and selecting Enter Time Machine. You will see a timeline on the right side of the screen, allowing you to browse through your backups. Select the files or folders you wish to restore and click the Restore button. Time Machine will retrieve the selected files and place them back in their original location. Regularly check your backup status to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Time Machine documentation for troubleshooting tips. With these steps, your macOS will be securely backed up using Time Machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.